In 1974, Helsinki received its first operating microscope after a year's delay deemed too costly. Surgeons used it boldly, straight in the OR, no lab training. But when aneurysms ruptured, many abandoned the scope, trusting their naked eyes instead. This was the fragile dawn of micro-neurosurgery, courage, doubt, and the birth of a new era.
When the aneurysm ruptures, I throw the microscope aside. My eyes, unaided, see wider, clearer. Survival demands speed, not magnification.
That is reckless. The microscope isn't an obstacle, it's a lighthouse in the storm. It magnifies precision, steadies your hands, even in chaos. Precision is useless if you can't see through the blood. In rupture, macrosurgery gives me freedom, no tunnel vision, no delay. Without magnification, that freedom blinds you. Tiny vessels, fragile nerves, they vanish. The microscope is discipline when instinct tempts shortcuts. I choose life over elegance. Time is blood. Macrosurgery buys me seconds.
And discipline saves lives beyond seconds. The future belongs to those who keep clarity under the lens, not to those who abandon it.
In surgery, every new idea is born in conflict between habit and vision, fear and courage. Progress demands respect for tradition, yet strength to abandon its comfort. True mastery lies not in clinging to the past, nor blindly rushing into the future, but in carrying both wisdom and innovation into the operating room.